Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic off-road vehicles in automotive history, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. For 2025, Toyota has brought back this legend with a modern twist while preserving the rugged DNA that made the original a global favorite. Design and exterior. The 2025 FJ40 carries forward its boxy, timeless silhouette with modern upgrades. Circular LED headlights, a bold grille, and a short wheelbase pay homage to the original, while high ground clearance and durable body cladding promise serious off-road capability. Toyota offers a range of vibrant colors and heritage badges, making it both a tribute and a modern marvel. Interior and technology. Inside, the FJ40 balances retro charm with cutting-edge tech. Durable materials like rubberized flooring and weather-resistant upholstery make it trail-ready, while a digital driver display, touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, and climate control bring modern comfort. The cabin layout is practical and minimalist, designed for both utility and adventure. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ40 features a turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain delivering over 300 horsepower, paired with a full-time four-wheel drive system. With locking differentials, low-range gearing, and Toyota's advanced crawl control, the FJ40 is more than ready to conquer rocks, mud, and mountain trails. It's built on Toyota's TNGAF platform, ensuring durability and capability. Safety and features. Toyota includes its SafetySense 3.0 suite as standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and more. This ensures that even in rugged environments, driver and passenger safety remains a priority. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is not just a revival, it's a bold reimagination of an off-road icon. It captures the essence of the past while confidently stepping into the future. Whether you're a collector, an adventurer, or just a fan of automotive history, this modern FJ40 is built to impress. Outro. Thanks for watching Bike Zone Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into legendary rides. See you in the next one.